Thank you for watching that episode of Stone's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Today is a LOZ mini brick kit. This is a Mini Cooper. Should be fun. I like the LOZ brand. I have found them to be pretty good. They are much like a mini Lego. Usually the quality is pretty good. The kits are pretty fun. And on the bright side, they make an even smaller form factor or model that you make, so they take up less space, which is okay by me. I have a small home, so smaller amount of space taken up is a good thing. So we've got inside, here's the box. Nothing too exciting there. These oftentimes just use poster style instructions, which I'm sure we have there. 1, 2, 3 little bags there, and then yeah, like I said, here's instructions, definitely in a poster style format. And usually instructions are good as far as the coloring and their quality. So I generally very confident LOZ builds of being a fun experience. And I expect that to be the same with this one. Like I said, these are not at all Lego sized bricks. These are definitely mini bricks. And we'll pull one out here. There we go. So here is a, whoops. A 4x6, and you can see it is quite small. Alright, I'll get this together on camera and then give it a quick review. Okay, we're all done. Take a look at her. LOZ Mini. As usual for LOZ kits, the LOZ kits, fun assembly, quick assembly, no problems with the bricks, no problems with the bricks sticking together. Very near Lego quality experience LOZ I found. Again, they're mini bricks, so they're not even regular Lego brick size. And again, this is not a Lego brick kit at all in any stretch of imagination, but it is a fun kit. If you are really a brick snob and against doing these other alternate kits, I think you're missing out sometimes. But on these, I can understand if someone doesn't necessarily want to do one of these kits, because again, they are mini, so it's a whole nother size of brick kit you might have laying around the house, and maybe you don't want to have a second or third size laying around. I understand. But really, these are fun kits. They're not expensive. You can get them on Temu pretty cheap, and they are fun assembly. The doors open here. The seats are a little bit adjustable inside there, but you also have a back hatch that opens and closes. If I can get my fingers in there. There we go. Alright, well, thank you for watching another episode of Stallone's Reviews. Please hit that like button. Remember to subscribe there to watch more episodes of Stallone's Reviews. Hopefully, this helped you decide whether you want to make your own LOZ Mini Cooper. I think it was a fun build. I'd do it again. Thanks for watching.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.